Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your maths class. We are doing revision of the first chapter from the book, and the name of the chapter is Numbers. Till the last class, we discussed about place value and face value of the digits of a given number and how to find out the standard form and how to write expanded form of a given number. Okay, and today we are moving to the last two topics from the chapter. Okay, and the topics are rounding of numbers and Roman numerals. Okay, and after finishing that we will move to the next chapter in our next class. Okay, so now let's start our class. Okay, so first of all we will start from rounding numbers. Okay, before moving to the rules, let me tell you what actually it means. Okay, rounding any number means to find out the approximate value which is very close to the actual value. Okay, rounded value of a number gives the value which is very close to the actual value. Okay, now to round a number to a given place, okay, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out the place which we are asked to round. Okay, then after we have to look at the digit to its right. Okay, if the digit is less than 5, then round down. If it is 5 or more, then round up. Okay, today we are going to discuss how to round numbers to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, now first of all let us start with rounding numbers to nearest 10. To do this, first of all, look at the digit at ones place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then increase the digit at tens place by 1 and place 0 at the ones place. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. Okay, now let us discuss this with examples. Okay, here the question is round off 7,58,963 to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 we are asked. So which digit we have to take? We have to take the digit which is in ones place. Here it is what? 3. Okay, so what we have to do? See here, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. So here what we have to do? We have to replace this 3 by 0. Okay, and other digits will be same as given. Okay, so on rounding of 7,58,963 to the nearest 10, we will get 7,58,960. Okay, now let us discuss one more example. Here the question you were given, round 3,69,258 to the nearest 10. We have to take the digit 8 which is in ones place, right? It is greater than 5, so what we have to do? We have to increase the digit at tens place by 1 and place 0 at the ones place. Okay, at here 5 is in tens place, so 5 plus 1 will be what? 6, right? Then place 0 at the ones place, so here, okay, and other digits will be same. Okay, so on rounding 3,69,258 to the nearest 10, we will get 3,69,260. Okay, now let us discuss how to round a number to the nearest 100. To round numbers to the nearest 100, look at the digit at tens place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1 and place 0 at the tens and ones places. And if the digit at tens place is less than 5, then replace the tens and ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. Okay. Here also we will discuss two examples. Okay, the question is round off 21,739 to the nearest 100. Which digit we have to check? We have to see the digit which is in tens place. Here 3 is in tens place. It is less than 5, right? So what we have to do? We have to replace the digits in tens and ones by 0, keeping all the digits same. Okay, 3 is in tens place, so we have to write here 0. 9, for 9 this one also, the digit which is in ones place, we have to write zeros, and other digits will be what? Same. So on rounding of 21,739 to the nearest 100, we will get 21,700. Okay. Okay, the next is round off 2,35,968 to the nearest 100. We have to take the digit in tens place. Okay, here it is what? 6, which is greater than 5, right? So what we have to do? Increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1 and place 0 at tens and ones places. Okay, now see here, if we increase this 9 by 1, okay, what we will get? We will get what? This 9 plus 1, we will get 10, right? But 10 we can't write in the same place. So we have to write here 0, and this 1, okay, this 1 will be carried to here. Okay, so what we will get? See here, I am showing you 968. We have to add 1 to this 9, right? What we will get? We will get 10, but 10 we can't write here in hundreds place, right? So this one we will have to write here. So what number we will get? 2,36,000. Okay, understood all of you? Now let us move to how to round numbers to nearest 1,000. Here we are going to discuss rounding numbers to nearest 1,000. For this, first look at the digit at hundreds place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then increase the digit at the thousands place by 1 and place 0 at the hundreds, tens and ones places. Or if the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, then replace the hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0, keeping all the digits same. Okay. Here also let us discuss two examples. Here the question is round off 6,26,189 to the nearest 1,000. Which digit we will have to take here? We have to take here the digit in hundreds place. Here 1 is in hundreds place, right? Which is less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to place the digits in hundreds, tens and ones by 0, keeping all the digits same. Okay, that means for this 3 places we have to write 3 zeros. Okay, and other digits will remain the same. Okay, so on rounding of 6,26,189 to the nearest 1,000, we will get 6,26,000. Okay. Okay, now here the second one, round the number 43,57,851 to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so here we are asked to round to the nearest 1,000, right? We have to take which digit? The digit in hundreds place. Here 8 is in hundreds place, right? Which is greater than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1, okay, to the digit which is in thousands place, and in hundreds, tens and ones places we have to write what? Zeros. Okay. 7 plus 1 will be, it will be what? 8, right? Then after, in these 3 places, hundreds, tens, ones, we have to write 3 zeros. Okay. And before this, all the other digits will be same. On rounding, 43,57,851 to the nearest 1000, we will get 43,58,000. Okay. So up to here, we discuss how to round numbers to nearest 10, right? Nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay. Now, let us move to the next one, that is Roman numerals. Now we are moving to Roman numerals. Okay. The numbers like I, V, X, L, these are called what? Roman numerals. Okay. And there are total 7 symbols. Okay, 7 symbols in Roman numeration system. And they are I, V, X, L, C, D and M's. And there are certain rules to find out the value of a Roman numeral. Let us discuss those rules. First one, add if the numeral is repetitive. Suppose you are given XX. For this, what you have to do? 10 plus 10. It will be 20. Okay. Then the second rule, add if the numeral with a smaller value comes after a numeral with a larger value. Suppose you are given XV. Okay. Which one is greater? X, right? X is greater than V because V represents 5 and X for 10. For this, you have to do what? Addition. 10 plus 5, it will be what? 15. Then the third rule, subtract if a numeral with a smaller value comes before a numeral with a larger value. Okay. Suppose you are given CM. What you will do here? C means what? 1000. M means what? 100, right? So M is less than C, right? And the symbol, okay, which represent the less, it comes just after the symbol with larger value. So for this, we have to do what? Subtraction. C for 1000, M 100. 1000 minus 100 equals to what? 900. Okay. Sorry, what? M represents 1000 and C represents 100, right? C is with smaller value, right? Okay. So for this, and it comes just before the larger value. So here what we have to do? 1000 minus 100. 1000 for M and 100 for C, and you will get what? 900. Okay. Now let us move to the fourth rule. And sometimes we must do the both addition and subtraction. Suppose you are given, okay, C, D, L, X, I, V. Now see here, C means what? 100. Okay. D means 500. For this, what you have to do? As D is greater than C, right? So we have to first do subtraction here. 500 minus 100. C and D, it is over. And the next step, C, L means what? 50. Okay. X means what? 10. For this, what we have to do? We have to do addition. Okay. As L is greater than X. L represents 50 and X represents what? 10. And what is left out? It is I, V. I means 1, V means 5. Okay. 5 minus 1. And you will get what? 400 plus 60 plus 4, it will be what? 464. Okay, so all of you have understood. And today what we discuss? We discuss how to round off a given number to its nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and also to the nearest 1000. Okay, then after we discussed Roman numerals. Okay, and some rules to find out the value of a Roman numeral. Okay, and with this we have finished the revision of chapter number 1, and from the next class we will start the revision of the second chapter from the book, and there is no home assignment for today. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.